spacious and luxurious living and dining area. This is your kitchen area, which is very spacious. This is the largest master bedroom of this 4 BHK. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Kalpataru Oceana by Kalpataru, located in Prabhadevi. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project and this is the actual land parcel and the tower's construction is in full swing. This is the neighborhood of our project. The project is located bang on Swatantra Veer Savarkar Road. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now let's talk about the project overview. This project is spread across the land parcel of 0.49 acres with 34 residential floors in a standalone tower with 1 basement, ground, plus 3 parking podium, plus 4 floors amenities, and rest 29 floors are habitable, in which you will get 4 BHK and 5 BHK, that is duplex residences. And this is the layout of the 4 BHK apartment. Talking about the amenities, this project has 25 plus luxurious amenities with podium level amenities and rooftop amenities including swimming pool, kids pool, gym, cricket pitch, party lawn and many more. As you can see, this is the podium level where you will get many amenities and also it has rooftop amenities. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Swatantra Veer Savarkar Road, Prabhadevi, Mumbai, with Bandra Valley Ceiling just 1.5 kilometers away, Dadar Chowpatty just 2.3 kilometers, IKEA Worldly City Store just 2.6 kilometers, and Prabhadevi Beach just 2 minutes walking distance from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of our project. So now we are standing outside the 4 BHK plus servant room of our project. This 4 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 2307 square feet. As you can see, this is the actual lobby of our project and this is a low density project, so you only have 1 flat on each floor. Now let's begin with the tour and let me show you how spacious this 4 BHK is. Right now this is being utilized as the sales office, but we'll still show you how luxury and spacious this 4 BHK is. By entering, you will get a spacious foyer area where you can place your shoe units and customize them, and this will be your spacious and luxurious living and dining area. In the living, you can easily place a 3-way sofa, a center tables, customize your TV unit and many more. In this corner, you can easily place a 8 to 10 people dining table and enjoy meals with your friends and family. The best part of this project is that this is a sea-facing project where you will get a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, your swings, your tea chairs and enjoy tea time with your friends and family with a sea-facing view. Moving forward, over here, you will get kitchen area provided as you are getting a bare shell apartment, so you can totally customize your kitchen as per your choice. This is your kitchen area, which is very spacious, and you will get full French windows for ventilation in the kitchen area. Also, right behind the kitchen area, you have a utility space provided, which is attached to the maid's room and the maid's washroom. This is a maid's room that has a different entry exit that will give you full privacy, and this is a maid's washroom. Moving forward, right in front of the kitchen, we have a first master bedroom And the space that you can see will be the attached washroom of our master bedroom. The entry of this washroom will be from over here, and this is a master bedroom that is very spacious, where you can place your beds, your side tables, customize your makeup corner, your study corner and your wardrobes. From this bedroom also you will get a beautiful sea view. Now let's move forward to the other master bedrooms, and also all the bedrooms are master bedrooms in this 4 BHK. So as we move forward to a master bedrooms, you can see you will get this space provided that you can customize as a mandir corner or totally as per your choice. Over here we have a powder washroom, and right next to a powder washroom is a second master bedroom where you can place your beds, your side tables and customize your wardrobe. In this master bedroom also you will get a glass facade with full French windows to give you a view of your neighborhood. And over here you will get the attached washroom, right opposite to a second master bedroom is a third master bedroom which is even more spacious, and from this bedroom also you will get a beautiful sea view. From this bedroom also you will get a beautiful sea view, as you will get full French windows and a glass facade. And over here you will get the attached washroom in this master bedroom. Before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. Also, we give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Moving towards the last and the biggest master bedroom, as we enter you can see you will get a foyer area that will give you full privacy. This is the largest master bedroom of this 4 BHK, where you can place your sofas as well along with the king size bed, your side tables, customize your TV units, etc. And in this bedroom you will get a beautiful sea view with a very spacious balcony and full French windows. One of the best part of this master bedroom is that you will get a walk-in wardrobe. This is the space provided for a walk-in wardrobe that you can customize totally as per your choice. And over here you will get the attached washroom which is very spacious. Once again, I would like to mention that you will get bare shell apartment and you can totally customize the whole apartment by your choice. So this was the 4 BHK plus servant room tour of our project. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, if you want to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to tell us in the comments below. And at last, don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.